Hello and welcome to Leadpreneur Academy. My name is Emmanuel Bassi. I am one of the portal administrators over here at Leadpreneur Academy. In this really short tutorial, I want to tell you what to do if you go to your portal to study and you find that materials are not available. This is not a common issue, it's a very, very rare issue, but we have to address it because even though it is rare, if you happen to be the one facing an issue like that, not knowing what to do, it can be quite, you know exactly how it is. So, in this video, I'm going to be using international relations 200 level to show you an example, and the course we'll be focusing on in that international relations is history and practice of diplomacy, INR 221, case study, whatever. So this is the material. And if I should open this to a new tab, inside of that we have one, two, three, four lessons in that particular course. Here in conceptualization of diplomacy, let's click on this lesson. And as the lesson opens up, you would see that there is topic right here under conceptualization of diplomacy. You will see topic right here and you will see materials right here. Our area of interest is this materials right here, so let's click on it. And as I have clicked on it, you can see there is something here, conceptualization of diplomacy. This is what you're looking for. This is what we are looking for. If I open this, it is going to open in a Google Drive showing me that the material is available. So this is the material for conceptualization of diplomacy. This conceptualization of diplomacy is a lesson in history and practice of diplomacy. So when you find this situation, when you find yourself in this situation where there is no material, so you came to this place and there was no materials, what do you do? Okay, you have to send a message to the administrators on the portal. And how do you do that? At the top right here, you will see your name. It would be your name right here, and beside that you will see that there is a small button, this button right here. Click on this button. When you click on the button, underneath that you're gonna see messages, right? Click on new message. Okay, if you click on the new message, it's gonna take you to an interface like this where you would be able to write a message to the administrators. You can simply say hello. The particular course that is affected, it's important you indicate the course because it would help the administrators go straight to that affected course and resolve the issue very quickly. Okay, so here we're looking at history and practice of diplomacy, right? So hello admin, there is no material for history and practice of diplomacy, INR 221. So when you send a message like this to the administrators, they're going to reply to you very quickly, and also the issue will be worked on and it will be addressed very, very quickly. So after writing your message, you want to click on send right here. You want to click on send, this button right here. You want to click on it. When you click on it, the message will be sent, and when the message is sent, it's going to be visible in this region right here. It's going to be visible in this area. Okay, the message is going to be visible here, indicating that you have sent a message to the administrators, and very quickly the issue will be addressed. So yeah, that is how you handle a situation like that. It rarely ever happens, but in that rare occasion where it does in fact happen, now you know what to do. All right, so enjoy your stay at Leadpreneur Academy. My name is Emmanuel Bassi. I am one of the portal administrators. over here at Leadpreneur Academy. If you have any other issues you would like us to address, do not hesitate to send us a message right here on this chat area, and the issue will be addressed. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day and see you in the next one.